We have lots of juicy Apple iPhone news, and this one does not disappoint. So check this out. The 20th anniversary iPhone will reportedly feature an all-screen design. Like all screen as in all screen. No dynamic island. Say what? So we were actually the first to report this a couple years ago. Nobody believed us when we made that bold statement, but it's true. You have to find the video. I'm not. We have more important stuff to do, like make money online, but yeah, it's in our video library. Okay, enough patting myself on the back. Let's get to the details. Apple's former chief of design, Johnny Ive, long dreamed of an iPhone with a truly all-screen design, and his wish will finally become reality in a few more years. Multiple sources who said that at least one new iPhone model launching in the year 2027 will have a truly edge-to-edge, panel-to-panel display. The device's front selfie camera and Face ID system will both be placed under the screen. 2027 will mark the 20th anniversary of the iPhone, so the all-screen design could arrive at a significant moment in the device's history. Apple is pretty self-absorbent, so this would be right up their alley as Apple's internal future iPhone roadmap was discovered. The completely all-screen iPhone 19 series is still 2 years away, but as a stepping stone towards this all-screen design, the newly discovered future roadmap cited that next year's iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will have only a small hole in the top left corner of the screen to accommodate the front-facing camera, with all Face ID hardware moved under the screen. With under-screen Face ID, the report said the iPhone 18 Pro models would no longer have a pill-shaped dynamic island cutout at the top of the screen. However, it is unclear if that means the dynamic island feature would be discontinued. Even if the physical dynamic island was removed, Apple could still implement the dynamic island or something of the sort via software features and user interface implementations. Display industry analyst Ross Young also previously claimed that iPhone 18 Pro models would feature under-screen Face ID. So our claim is now backed by multiple sources within the industry. Apple is expected to introduce the devices in September 2026. In Apple fashion, the all-screen design would likely be reserved for the high-end iPhones, so it is likely coming on the iPhone 19 Pro and iPhone 19 Pro Max models in September 2027. Subscribe to the channel for more breaking technology coverage you get nowhere else. We appreciate the time. Please be safe and have a great rest of the day.